Hey there, come take a walk with me. Let's look at some birds and bird houses all throughout this property. You can hear the red-bellied woodpecker above us. And hear hatchlings inside, all cuddled up, probably about a week of age. Now that the ospreys have fledged from their platform, an anhinga has chosen to found it as a great roosting site. This is a female, being that it has tan upper parts, and that sharp pointed bill identifies it as the anhinga. The screech owl's already fledged from this unit, and now we have a great crested flycatcher nesting in it, who has already dropped 3 eggs. Stalking cautiously is a green heron. Purple martin houses are extremely active. Many fledglings, all learning to fly, getting ready to begin their journey back to Brazil, where they will reside during the summer months, and we will see them once again in January. And one of the osprey platforms that has 2 juveniles and an adult still there. The juvenile is to the left. On the right hand side, that is an adult, and directly in front of it, laid down, is a juvenile. This is a common gallinule. Has the red mask, the yellow bill, one that sings that wipeout song to you in the event you shank a ball into the lake. Right behind it is a great egret. Tall white bird, black legs and a yellow bill. Enjoying the opportunity of foraging in the aquatic plants around the lake edges. And right here next to us is another green heron. Jumping all around these rocks, looking for something to eat. All right, June 6th, and it's gonna be a little towards the sun, but we have a bald eagle, adult, flying around us as well. Thank you for taking a moment to look at birds and bird houses throughout this property.